We specialize in the hot forging and machining of components in brass, aluminum, and non-ferrous materials, serving various sectors including the automotive industry. We're part of the Umberto Nuti Holding, together with subsidiaries in the USA and Canada. S.p.A, producer of brass bars and non-ferrous semi-finished products. Berna, producer of brass bars and profiles, and M.A.B Tool Shop. Since 1860, the Nuti family's continuous consolidation of production has brought the company to head this large international group that leads the market. Forging your ideas into innovative solutions. Welcome to Brawo.